Hey dear food lovers, today I'm making salmon salad with some easy ingredients you have in your fridge right now. So first, I'm gonna show you how to make the salmon and then we'll move on to the veggies. So first thing I'm doing is after I wash and clean my salmon, I'm gonna add some garlic herb seasoning. Notice I'm using all McCormick today. The next one I used is Smokehouse Maple, followed by brown sugar bourbon. And next up, I'll be using some Old Bay seasoning. And then I like crushed red peppers, so that's optional for you, but you could add some crushed red peppers. And the final thing you want to do is to add a little oil on the salmon, and then you marinate the seasoning. So you just use like a glove and rub it in, like what I'm doing here. So you massage it in, and the next thing you will be doing, you're going to be baking this in the oven for 20 minutes. Another thing you can do is to, after you bake it for 20 minutes, you just want to put your oven and broil the broil setting for another 3 minutes. That will give it some color. You don't want to leave it for too long because your salmon will get too dry. Okay, moving on to the next step. This is nothing fancy. This is just some romaine lettuce, and you just cut them in small pieces. I am getting all of this ready while I wait for the salmon to come out the oven. And when that's ready, I'm gonna share myself a bowl. And for me, I don't do a lot of salad dressing. You can certainly add salad dressing if you want. When I do have salad dressing though, my go-to one is ranch. I also like blue cheese, but you could pair it with whatever dressing you want or no dressing at all. So here we go. I just want to say thank you for sticking around to the end. If you're not a subscriber, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and for all my beautiful subscribers out there, thank you for staying with me. And until then, I'll see you on the next one.